Welcome back mga ka-Joy, and we're currently here at Davao Global Township.
Hi guys, welcome to Joy of the World.
Welcome back mga ka-Joy, and we are currently here at MacArthur Highway here in Davao City, and we are going towards the Davao Global Township. And you are currently seeing at your left side one of the projects of CLI, the Paragon Davao. CLI, or the Cebu Landmaster Inc, which has constructed a lot of developments here in Davao City. If you can remember Mesa Tierra, you can also remember the buildings of Lyceum Philippines University, and of course the Paragon Davao, as well as Davao Global Township. Those are some of the projects of CLI in the city. Going towards the Davao Global Township, we are going to pass along MacArthur Highway, and we are going to see here Ateneo de Davao. Of course, we are also going to see one of the Mapua schools in the Philippines here in Davao City. We are going to see the Malayan Colleges, Mindanao. And we are also going to pass along some establishments and some commercial spaces. And you are seeing some cranes at your right side. That is actually the development of the NCCC Mall Maa. It is a gloomy day during this day of the opening of the Davao Global Township roads, and it is going to be open to the public, and you're going to see also the Davao Global Township Weekend Market, and it is going to be from Thursday until Sunday, and you're going to see a lot of food establishments that serves great food in the area. And hopefully, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do not hesitate to subscribe by clicking that red button, and also click that notification bell so that you will always be updated with all of my channel activities. Thank you very much. At this junction of MacArthur Highway, at the right side, we are going to see Maa Road. And at this area, you are going to see SNR. Also, you are going to see the Matina IT Park. Plus, you are also going to locate here one of the newest hospitals in the city of Davao, the UNIDAV. There's really a lot of development around the area of Matina, and you are going to expect heavy traffic here in the future. And as what I've told you, there's a new hospital, the new UNIDAV. You can locate it at your right side towards that alley, and there the hospital will be located. So again mga ka-Joy, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do not hesitate to subscribe by clicking that red button, and also click that notification bell so that you will always be updated with all of my channel activities. Thank you very much. We are already nearing our destination at the Davao Global Township, wherein it is going to be known as the address of the amazing. And going to the left side, that is actually the Tulip Drive, and we still are going to move forward towards the Davao Global Township. And we are getting nearer, and nearer. At this area, if you are going to notice at your right side, it is going towards the Davao Memorial Park, and at the left side is actually already the Davao Global Township. And if you can notice, there is like a parachute, or there is a hot air balloon color green. That is actually the markers of the Davao Global Township, and that is one of the entrances of this area. So still part of the MacArthur Highway, we're seeing the Wilcon Depot, and we are also going to see one of the coliseums for the cockpit fight here in the city of Davao, in which it is at our left side, and towards the right side is going at the Shrine Hills. And at this intersection, it is where you are going to see another entrance towards the Davao Global Township. And now we are entering towards the vicinity of the Davao Global Township. And there's really a lot of people who were invited, because during this time, we are going to see also a concert by some of our dear entertainers, just like Casey Tandingan, DJ Monterde, and amongst others. And so we are now entering the Davao Global Township, and you can see here also it is wireless. So many of the wires are already underground cable, and you are going to see a very huge property that will be developed in the future. At our left side, that is actually the DGT Center, the Davao Global Township Center, which is the mall of this vicinity. And you are going to see a lot more to be done in here, as the place is very vast. So if we are going to look for our parking space, we are also going to see a lot of vacant spaces, and that is still part of the Davao Global Township. And we are going to see here in the future more buildings to come or to be constructed, and it will be like the Bonifacio Global City, or even the other townships that we can see elsewhere in the country. And in front of us is actually the DGT Center. So welcome to Davao Global Township, and we are seeing a lot of construction in the area.
Sure, my fellow Davaoenos are most looking forward to the things that they'll be seeing here at the township. Close up, everyone, for the photo op, please.
The road opening was also graced by the former President of the Philippines, Rodrigo Duterte. And so that's it mga ka-Joy. The Davao Global Township roads are now open to the public. And here's the side of the Davao Global Township Weekend Market.
It's now officially open here at the Davao Global Township here in Matina. Yeah, and it's me, Joy of the World. Thank you very much. See you online. Congratulations. Goodbye.
So going back towards the parking space, we are also going to see the ongoing construction of the DGT Center. And at these roads of the Davao Global Township, you can really see that this is really one of the most anticipated destinations in the city in the future. And also, this is really powered by solar lights. And you are really going to see a very huge or very vast space that will be soon developed. And this is the Davao Global Township, and hopefully to see you again mga ka-Joy. And so, thanks for watching. Until next time mga ka-Joy. Goodbye!